Yes, please start.
Just a second.
Relax and enjoy your presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you make your screen where you are just half, your head is seen? Thoda sa angle change kar. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. And put it on full screen and enjoy your presentation. Tell me how was your experience, what all you learned, what projects you did. Okay,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
discussing, and you are helping me understand what you did. Okay, all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, I worked with Trikea company. It's of Delhi. So basically, Trikea focuses on sampling products. It has huge variety of products in which you get 4 products for 399. So I worked with them. I worked from 10th March to 30th June. We had a group of around 3 of them, and I was assisting the main head. My job profile was I was a working as a graphic designer. I had to handle the social media account as well as website for the company. So basically, Hera Essential, this was another company, but she made us do work of that as well. So in this we had anti-aging, acne, and stress. These 3 subcategories in which there were 4 of each. Hera Essential is an essential oils company, and it is not very old or something. It is newly started. So these were some of them. The first to post was a carousel that I had to make day and night. So the maximum thing which we had in this was text. The main focus was text more than anything. She wanted to focus on text. So these were some of her posts. And this was where it was posted. For Trikea, I worked on various companies like Mama Earth, then Plum Goodness, Drools, and many more. Mama Earth. This was Instagram post which I had to design for Trikea. For this one, she had told me to keep it more towards nature, and she wanted to use pictures and ingredients. This was the second post where she told me to break her grid, because before that her grid was very soothing. So she told me to use poppy colors in this. This was where it was posted. This was the only things which were posted. Except this, I made some of more other posts. McCaffney. This here she just wanted, the color palette was given by the company itself, which I had to use. So in this, McCaffney is basically known for its coffee products. Actually, it has coffee products. So in that manner, she gave me 3 different concepts. One using coffee beans, second using shadow, and third, it's a plain with seed bells. So the Plum Goodness. So Plum was going to be launched on 27th of March. So first post talks about that. Second post was posted. Second, third, and fifth post was posted. Others were some extra posts which I had to make. So Plum Goodness had basically two colors, that is green and purple. And her wish was that it should go mostly in green shades, teal or green shades. The keel. So she was basically impressed by all these posts the most. She liked these posts the most. Rules is a company which provides food, healthy food for dogs and cats. So she wanted to make it more type of a kiddish and in a form of uh, line art. So these were some of my extra posts. First, uh, first three were mixed products. Then she made me do post where you put a message. The last two also were mixed products. There was Plum. There were new products of Plum and Ilana going to be launched. So she made me do that. Then take that risk. That was again an message one. Deal of the day. She had free pharmacy pads with Khadi Natural or Mantra herbs. So this was another post for that. Batiste, same goes with like Batiste. It is one of India's dry shampoo, number one world's dry shampoo. So she had that too on. She has that too on a platform. Then the second one was Nourish Mantra. Um, First Bird, Monsoon Chai, Ilana, and Have You Tried Yet? That was a carousel post. And Wow Skin Science. Web banners. So basically, web banners were something she did post on her website, but were changed within a couple of weeks, like 2 weeks maximum. She used to keep a single web banner. And there were 5 different types of web banner. The first one was called as top banner, whose size was 1920 by 480 pixel. The second one was called as second banner, which was of 1125 and 285 pixels. So similarly, she had even a premium banner for her premium page. Lotus herbs, and the purple one was which she usually has it uh, on her website always to guide people. According to her, the banner should be very basic and very simple, so that it clicks the mind of the people, the consumers. And her main role models, like the person, the company she used to follow was mostly Nykaa. So this was deal of the day. So this Plum was one of my first web banner. Omi Foods was one other company which I worked with, and it had beaten Chana Navratna mix and only these two products as sampling. Mantra Herbs was another one. The upper one was her main premium banner. And the second one, she used to keep it as an extra. The first and second one were previous banners before the one I showed you before this. The Keel free shipping banner was posted on a website, but it is no more. This was the second banner. O3 Professional was the first brand which I worked with. These are some of the remaining banners in different sizes. ads. So she made me do ads for Insta and Facebook, even Google Ads. So these were the sizes, these were the ads which I made. And I guess some of them are yet running, like the third one and the first one. Instagram stories. As soon as we had some new product being launched, we had Instagram stories, which she made us do on Canva. So Hera was one of the brand which I did maximum Instagram stories for. Then Wow, when Wow was being launched, Monsoon Chai, Ilana, Mama Earth, then Rules, O3 Profession, stickers. Stickers was something which she provided with all her packaging. So these were two of the stickers she made me do. The color which she asked me to maintain for stickers was teal. She really loved teal color for, I don't know for what reason. Pop-up ads. So these were two of the pop-up ads. Pop-up ads are basically those ads which we see when we enter, just click on the website. And these are the first ads which you are able to see. And I designed a logo for Mamma Mia label. And basically this is a company which is going to be started. And she has labels for all the clothing brands. So she wanted me to keep it more towards a messy but a colorful look. And she wanted me to use typo as well. Ma'am, I'm done with it.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Uh,
Yeah, I forgot that the payment method, I got my payment after 1 month, after literally telling her, please give me my payment of 3 months at least now. For Mamma Mia logo, I had submitted it basically 2 months before, but till date, I didn't get my payment and my certificate. That was the thing I worked for most, and I got it 2 days before.
so congratulations on getting it. And
Thank you, ma'am.
experience is very, very important. As you said, that that feeling of not getting the payment, then getting it or waiting for it, this is a part and parcel, especially if you are going to become a freelancer or you're going to start your own business, your own design house. If you're employed in a multinational, then this shouldn't be and won't be a problem ever. But overall, I think that this was a good learning experience for you.
Yes, ma'am. And mainly what I learned from her was let there be thousands of problems, but she had a very calm and soothing nature, a very, very kind nature, which actually whenever I made a wrong post, she never shouted at me. So I enjoyed working with her mainly for this reason, because I learned a lot from her.
Correct. Yeah. So you start valuing certain subtle things which are important to us as we are working together, and the work environment becomes important. So tell me how you're going to look at your class assignments differently compared to what you would have done before this internship. Is there any change, shift?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Like there is a change, there is a shift. Now, I'm more involved in it. I like learning more through our assignments. Before that, it was like, chalo karna hai, let's do it. But now it's like, it's interesting. This year, actually, first semester has been really interesting. But ma'am, I miss you for UI UX.
I'll be there in the coming trimester, don't worry. So you can stop the share and maybe we can have a more discussion.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. So I have missed you all too because I love teaching. Uh, anyways, whenever you miss me, do connect with me. I can always come as a visiting faculty to you if that subject is not core my subject, I'll always be there. So I want to, yeah, I want to know, you have worked a lot about on type because few of your posts were quite typography heavy.
Yeah.
How has your understanding of fonts and typography changed?
Has changed a lot. So firstly, when I just started working, she was very irritated by me due to fonts. She was like, the day you work on your phones, the day you understand what type of fonts you need to use, that day I'll understand this internship has succeeded. So by now, I did took that thing. She did tell me on a last day that finally you have learned typography fonts. So my typography has changed a lot. Now I have better understanding of what type of fonts are used in print media, what type of fonts are used on websites and on posts.
So that's great. That's good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep on learning because these observations will help you do better and better over the years because there is lots to learn, especially in typography and layouts and things like that. So managing the different kind of social platforms, did you learn anything about that?
Yes, ma'am. I did learn managing different types of, like, how should a grid be maintained on Instagram posts, how how ads are posted, how Instagram post could be converted into Facebook. I learned a bit of softwares as well, uh, Premiere Pro and After Effects. I did learn these two softwares, a little basic of them. Yeah.
You should try these two softwares more and engage with them more because they are very good for motions and
Yes,
video
ma'am.
editing. And today is the world of motions, isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
motion graphic is big time in thing now. So anyways, all the best, Yashvi,
Thank you, ma'am.
for your time, and all the best to you throughout the years.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All right, you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.